Hello friends, this is Mrs. Sheetal Deshpande. We will continue with lesson 7, the partition of India. Let's understand which part of India separated and why through following map. Here we have one India's map on which we have two shaded part. One symbolizes the green color and another one is yellow color. By yellow color, you can understand which part was earlier the part of India itself and which part was separated now from India. The partition of British India is one of the saddest events that has happened in Indian history. The partition divided the country, separated the families from their homes and turned friends into enemies. See here we have an image which symbolizes how the families are separated from each other, how the friends are separated from each other and how the friends became enemies. Let's see about 1947, the partition of India. India experienced a partition with its independence in 1947. During this partition, the northwestern part of the country and eastern half of Bengal presidency were separated from the rest of the country. Here we have the image which symbolizes how the northwestern and eastern part of Bengal presidency were separated from India. What is partition? Partition means dividing something into parts. Here it means dividing land according to borders. By the map also you can understand. Let's see about the divide and rule. Yes, I will repeat here. We will see about the divide and rule policy. This policy of British led to the creation of political parties based on religious lines. This had led to a demand for separate nation for Muslims. British arrived in India around AD 1612. Sometimes we feel how thousands of the Britishers were able to conquer entire India and rule it for nearly 200 years. The reason behind their success lies in their divide and rule technique. That time, India was under the rule of Mughals. After Aurangzeb's death, British started showing their true colors. One key point they had understood here was that feeling of nationalism was absent among common people. People from different regions didn't used to consider each other as the citizens of same country. Here we have the image of Aurangzeb. So Britishers were easily able to use army from one region against any other region. After Mughal Empire weakened, many strong regional power rose in India. What were the different examples? Marathas, Nizam, Mysore, Bengal, Awadh, Sikhs, Rohillas, Bundels, Jats, and etc. In 1857 revolt, Hindu Muslims fought together against British unitedly. After the revolt of 1857, Britishers thought that the major reason behind the revolt were Muslim leaders. Here we have the image which symbolizes the next sign. So they started oppressing the Muslim population after 1857. But after the formation of the Congress in 1885, with the support of British, Muslim League was formed. And here we have the image which symbolizes the formation of Muslim League in 1906. Students, today in this way we have covered about All India Muslim League formation and the role of Britishers through divide and rule policy. Detail about it we will continue in next part. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.